Okay. Oh my goodness, you're walking.
Come on,
Hi,
honey.
Nessie.
Come on, honey. A little farther. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Come on, just a little farther. That girl. Good job. Yep. Now it's
And
time to sit.
Sit right next to Mama. Good job. Good job,
Back here.
honey. Good job.
I'll tire it out. Not
Good
until
job.
tomorrow.
Hey, that's a good workout.
That's our workout, little chubby bunny.
Oh.
Look at your little chubs. Look it. Wait till you get older. We're gonna. That's healthy. It's normal.
Hmm?
She's got the hiccups.
Mm-hmm.
I think she's all wore out for today. I'll tucker it out. Let's go back here again. See if we can go back again.
Jeez, that's kind of fast. You're trying to run.
Are you ready? You gotta pick those feet up, honey.
I'm tired, Dada. I'm tired.
You all done? No? Not yet?
See? Slowly but surely.
Somebody's tired.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 2 months old. At 2 months old. Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, you're gonna be
I'm
running.
tired, Dada.
You're gonna be running soon, honey.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Good job.